Hey everyone, welcome to another quick JavaScript lesson. Today we'll be learning how to calculate the difference between a number and 13 and how to double that difference if the number is greater than 13. Let's get started. The problem is simple. We take a number, compare it to 13, and if it's less than or equal to 13, we return the difference. But if it's greater than 13, we return double the difference. This is a common task when dealing with comparisons or calculations in programs. Here's the code. We define a function called difference, which accepts a number n. If n is less than or equal to 13, the function returns the difference between 13 and n. If n is greater than 13, it returns double the difference between n and 13. Let's take 32 as an example. Since 32 is larger than 13, we calculate 32 minus 13, which equals 19. Then we double that to get 38. Here is the output. Now let's try 11. Since 11 is less than 13, we return the difference, 13 minus 11, which gives us 2. No doubling needed here. For those using ES6, here's the same logic, but in a more concise form using an arrow function and the ternary operator. The result is the same, but the code is shorter. And there you have it. We've learned how to calculate the difference between a number and 13, and how to return double the difference for numbers greater than 13. I hope you found this useful. Be sure to practice this concept with different numbers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you next time.